everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. Great car, guys. We actually bought this car locally. It is a true Roadrunner RM VIM. It's finished in B5 blue. Originally it was actually a B7 blue, which is the darker blue, but this is a factory color, B5 blue metallic. It's got the black interior, it's got the black performance hood striping, factory D21 4-speed car, and it is also a factory N96 air grabber hood car, which is pretty cool. So it's got some cool options, good solid straight body. It is an older restoration, guys, so there's some stuff that, you know, as I go through, I kind of pick at on the video. But good car. I just actually I bought these wheels for this car. Those are brand new BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it, with brand new 15-inch Magnums, which I love that look on these cars. Again, you can see this is the original grille. So you can kind of nitpick that a little bit. It's kind of showing some age. Guys, I would have replaced the bumper, and I would say whoever buys this car, replace the bumper. Here's the problem. Right now they're on national back order. So that's one of the things you're going to definitely want to do. I would have done that. Unfortunately, you can't get the bumpers. It's got the fender mount hood turn signals, and you can kind of nitpick those a little bit. Again, the one thing that I would do is the front bumper for sure. And like I said, I was going to do it, but unfortunately you can't get it. Factory fresh air or air grabber hood. Yeah, sorry guys, little dust here. Sometimes the guys are waiting on me, we get busy and a little dust on them. Back window's in pretty good shape. You can kind of see some little light scratching in it. Again, I don't want to just nitpick the car to death, but again, we've been here for 40 years, man. I try to represent the car for exactly what it is. And there's none of these cars you can't pick, guys. Again, looks like it's got the original trim in the back. It's nice and straight down the sides. Rear bumper, I mean, again, showing a little rare wear. They are original, but again, they're on back order. So you can see some things like that. Definitely the front bumper is the one that I would definitely replace. Again, the Magnums are brand spanking new. Just bought those for the car. All new rubber. This is a factory 3D3 car. This is not the matching numbers engine, but it does have a 69 date-coded engine in it. 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. You can see it's got the stock Mopar radiator. There's your fender tag. You can see the N96 hopefully on there. I took a picture of it. And again, pretty cool. It's got the factory air grabber hood. It is a factory D21 4-speed car. I have not had a chance to drive this car actually yet, but Jay's actually the one to handle everything. He's the one who got this car bought. But he said it runs and drives excellent. He said it's a real nice, tight driver. Yeah, I mean, pretty nice shape on the A-pillar chrome, but you can pick it a little bit. Original mirror, again, original door handles. It's got the black interior in it. This looks like the original sill plates. It's got the bench seat, factory Hurst shifter in there. They actually had to replace the cluster on this car. It's showing 53,000, but it's actually about 10,000 miles more on this car. He said he had a problem with the cluster, had to replace it. It's got an aftermarket Bosch tach, aftermarket radio. Again, you see the stock Hurst shifter with the air grabber, little carb choke in there. A dual exhaust, chrome tips, 8 3/4 sure grip rear end. It's a, I think it's 373. That's your factory radio. Hopefully I don't tear this original mat. I don't want to tear it up too bad, but I'm pull it up here. You can see it's all body color in here, like it should be. Looks like your original insulation on your quarters. Nice underneath. Like I say, good solid straight car. Could you spend some money on some trim, guys, and make it slicker? Absolutely. But if you're looking for a nice driver, I think you're going to be tickled with this car. It's got the vinyl with the center cloth insert. Looks like it's got all the original little split there in the dash. You can see that kind of dash pads. Got a couple little marks in it. I have Jay fired up here. And original door handles there. Pretty much bone stock for 83, guys, nothing crazy. Parking brake works, Jay?
Yep.
Yeah, hopefully you guys can see that. I don't know if that light's right there. You go.
It's on.
It's on, yep. Looks like your gauges are all working. Tach, it works. Little cam to it. Yeah, nothing crazy. Backup lights work. Got power, looks like the radio's working.
If I can learn how to, it works.
It works. Blower motor, Jay.
Yep.
Reverse light works, guys. Wipers. Said one of them, driver's side, for some reason this was not coming on. We'll check it. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our new Instagram page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. What a good looking car. Four-speed and 96 air grabber hood car, guys. a great day, guys.